Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to format text in sticky notes on Windows. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open sticky notes on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll see all your existing notes displayed on your screen. Now, locate the note you want to format and double-click on it to open it up. This will bring the note into focus and allow you to start editing and formatting your text. Before we dive into formatting, I'm going to provide you with a quick reference notepad showing all the keyboard shortcuts we'll be using. This way, you can easily follow along and remember these shortcuts for future use. Having these shortcuts at your fingertips will make text formatting much faster and more efficient. Let's start with making text bold. To do this, you'll first need to highlight the text you want to format. Once your text is selected, simply press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. This will instantly make your highlighted text bold, which is perfect for emphasizing important points or headings in your notes. Next, if you want to italicize your text, the process is just as simple. Highlight the text you want to make italic, then press Ctrl+I. This formatting style is great for adding emphasis or distinguishing certain words or phrases from the rest of your notes. Now, let's move on to underlining text. Again, start by highlighting the text you want to underline, then press Ctrl+U. Underlining is useful when you want to draw attention to specific information or create visual separation between different sections of your note. If you need to strike through text, maybe to show that something has been completed or is no longer relevant, highlight the text first and then press Ctrl+T. This will draw a line through your selected text, making it clear that it's been crossed off while still keeping it visible for reference. Finally, let's talk about adding bullet lists to your sticky notes. This feature is incredibly helpful for organizing tasks or creating quick to-do lists. To enable a bullet point, simply hold down the Alt key, then type 0149 on your number pad and release Alt. This will create a bullet point that you can use to structure your notes more effectively. And there you have it. You've just learned how to format text in sticky notes using simple keyboard shortcuts that will help you organize and emphasize your information more effectively. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.